Hi, Ryan from CarsAddiction.com, and today it's all about Hot Wheels. Now, I definitely played them when I was young, and I'm a grown-up and I do like to collect them. Problem with Hot Wheels is it never stops at just one. When you're a kid, it's not a problem, you just chuck them in a box, in a shoebox. When you're a grown-up, you'd like to collect them and show them off. And today I'm going to show you a simple and cheap way on how you can place them on your wall. Now before we start, let me just show you the end result. Right over here, back to silica over there. What we're gonna do is a wooden strip along that with nails at a certain interval, and the only hole we're gonna do into the wall is just one on the top. Everything else, as you can see, is movable. The solution is best because you don't have to have multiple holes for each and every card, and everything is uniform, as you can see. It does fit short cards as long as you can go all the way on the bottom here. We have long cards. You can also fit a short card over this and have them both show. Tools and materials. What is needed? For this build is a piece of wood at any length you want. I've chosen a 3 centimeter wide piece of wood and 1 centimeter in depth, which fits perfectly. 1 inch nails, so your cars can hang from them at a certain interval. And this top screw, which is going to be on the top, that will hold the whole structure. It's important that it has the sleeve as well, so it is mounted properly into the wall. And you'll need that. Just one for each and every mount you do. As in tools, we need a measuring tape or a ruler, be able to measure everything up. A cordless drill to drill into the wall for that just top mount. And a saw, so we'll be able to cut where we need according to the length of our application. And that's all we need. We just need to buy a couple of nails and this piece of wood. We start off by measuring everything. Now I have to cut mine about 1 meter long, so I'm making sure that from one side to the length is 1 meter. Then we measure the top. This is going to be the top part, so we measure 2 centimeters from the top, so we have strength when we screw down the main screw, which will be this. Then the trick is to measure 11 centimeters per nail until we get all the way to the bottom here. Now the reason there's a bigger gap over here of about 20 centimeters, just show you a sec, so that if we have a long card it will fit comfortably and not touch with the bottom of the thing, or you might have something spill or something and don't damage the card. So as you can see on each nail, these will fit perfectly. Okay, and let's get to it. Okay, so this is going to be the length of my stand. This is going to be the top part. Now, top part, again, we leave 2 centimeters from the top, and every 11 centimeters, we're going to put a nail in the center. And there it is, it's all ready. We have our mounts right over there, as you can see. We still didn't mount it on the wall, we just want to give it a lick of black paint to match the rest. But you can see it's there. Now, as I said before, we're just going to do one mount over there on the top. We'll screw that later. Okay, what is left is to measure the distance where we're going to be drilling. Right over here I'm doing 11.5 centimeters, so talking about something similar, which is right about there. Obviously I need it to be the same height so everything is aligned. So keep it about just underneath 2 centimeters from where I am. Just right about there. To confirm, all I need is to get one car. Just make sure it lines perfectly over there. I don't want to be touching, so I leave a little gap, which is perfect right over there. And let's get drilling. Okay, like we said, we need the special wall mount screw with the sleeve. This should fit nicely right over there. So. And we're back. It's all painted in black. As you can see, ready mounted the main screw over there. This is the only screw that's going to go into the wall, and all the cards are mounted on these nails right over here. So let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, find a hole over there and into the wall. Now we don't want to go completely in because we need to use this as a mounting point for the card. Okay, and that should be enough. Now with our freshly installed Hot Wheels stands, we can now show off our new finds. As you can see, they fit perfectly. Don't forget the 11 centimeter gap and 2 centimeter gap from above, and you're golden. All the materials used can be found at your local hardware shop. They're very simple to find. Just in case, I've included a write-up on my website, and for that, just click on the link in the description below. And there you have it, how to build a Hot Wheels stand for under $5. Thank you for viewing, and please share your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to get notified with our latest content from CarsAddiction.com. Take care.